Please come.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I am R.K. Singh. What is your name?
Sir, my name is Nikhil Turkar.
And what is your name?
Sir, I am Agan Dahake.
Agan Dahake. So I know, I think that you know about the test, some rules, etc.
Yes, sir.
Little bit, sir.
Briefly, I like to tell you,
Yes, sir.
there are 3 parts in the test. In first part, some warm-up question related to your family, your home, your hobbies, your likes, dislikes, etc. Second part, your topic, you would have prepared well, I think.
Yes, sir.
Presented very confidently.
Yes, sir.
And third part, problem solution. You will be given one problem solution card.
Yes, sir.
Think, discuss over it, and come out with the best solution of the problem. So now let me take very first to you. Nikhil, your serial number is 1001. So it will be 1A.
Yes, sir.
And your 1001B means it will be 1B. And first you have to speak because your number is A.
Yes, sir.
So Nikhil, I want to know about your family.
Sir, my family has 18 members.
18 members.
18 members, yes. My grandmother is the head of my family.
Hmm.
My father, my mother, my 6 cousins, and
6 cousins.
yes, sir. I have 6 cousins,
Ah.
and then I have uncle, aunts. In total, we have 18 members in family.
Total 18 members. 18 members.
18, yes, sir.
It is big family. No?
Yes, sir. It's quite big.
Okay, so who is the head of your family?
Sir, my grandmother.
What is her age?
Sir, she is 76 years of age.
And what about your grandpa?
Sir, unfortunately, he is no more.
Oh, sorry. And what is your father?
So my father is a foreman in mines, Moil, in Tirodi. Moil means Magnesium India Limited. He is a, you can say, supervising engineer in mines.
And what do you want to become?
So my dream is to be an IPS officer, and moreover I want to become a singer like Arjit Singh because it's my passion.
Very nice. So your dream is to become IAS officer.
Yes, sir.
As well as you want to become good singer also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
That your dream should come true.
Thank you.
Again,
Yes, sir.
your number is, just I told you, first B, 1B. Now, would you like to tell me something about your home?
Sir, actually my house is my home.
Your house is your home.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because if we consider a house,
Mhm.
it is only a building, but it is the members of the family which make it possible to be a home.
So you mean to say that your family members, you all togetherly making your house a home.
Yes, sir.
So home is the place where generally we
Yes.
reside. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, tell something about your home.
So my home consists of 10 rooms.
Mhm.
It is not a very big building, but it is a medium-sized building. It consists of 2 kitchens, one separate room for me for studying, and around 7 or 8 bedrooms.
7 or 8 bedrooms are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who built this huge house?
So it's a medium-sized house, and it was built by my grandfather.
Okay, very nice. So do you have any special attachment to your house?
So absolutely, because a home is a place where we get inner satisfaction, and we feel safe from all the worries of the world. So I definitely love my house.
Okay, nice. So Nikhil, now again I am taking you. Your first introductory part has completed.
Yes, sir.
In second part, already I gave you one topic now,
Yes, sir.
and I think you would have prepared well.
Yes, sir. I am definitely prepared.
So be very confident,
Yes, sir.
as well as clear, and present your topic.
Sir, my topic is importance of music. Sir,
Importance of music.
Yes, sir. Importance of music.
Hmm.
Sir, today as we all are seeing and looking that whenever we get leisure hours, we love to listen music. Or we can say it is our friend as well as our helper. Whenever we are alone, we are sad or we are happy or we want to show our feelings about something, then we can use music to show our feelings through music.
Mm.
And music is a great source of showing our emotions and to learn what our life teaches us. And about learning music, I can say I am also learning music, and learning process of music is very huge. We cannot say that we are perfectly trained in music, because as well as we keep on learning, as long as we keep on learning, we'll come to know our faults, and as we will come to know our faults, we will become more and more master in our music. So I am also very much dedicated to music, and fond of singers like Jagjit Singh, Arjit Singh, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, and they are making proud me as well as their countrymen about music. So I love music.
You love music, you like music, huh?
Yes, sir.
And are you learning music somewhere?
Yes, sir. My father sometimes teaches me.
Your father is
Yes.
also music teacher.
No, sir, not teacher. He
But
also sings.
He is good at music.
Yes, so sometimes I also sing with him.
Okay, very nice. Again, did you listen to him?
Yes.
How nicely he was telling about music. Huh? Do you like music?
Yes, sir. I do like.
Did you get what he was talking
Yes, sir.
about the music?
Yes, sir.
Can you ask one question?
Yes. Can you tell me who is your favorite singer
Sir, Arjit Singh.
and what are the qualities?
Qualities. Actually, he has a great cinematic voice, and as when he sings, it gives me a huge relief. I feel from inner side of my heart. I forgot all my tensions and keep on listening his music.
So I think again and again Nikhil is repeating Arjit Singh. Huh?
Arjit Singh.
Arjit Singh may be the best favorite
Yes, sir.
singer
Yes.
of you. So, do you know any line of any song of Arjit Singh?
Yes, sir.
Which?
I should sing or?
Yes, one line only.
मुस्कुराने की वजह तुम हो.
Very nice, thank you, very nice. So you want to become good singer,
Yes, sir.
musician,
Definitely.
and IAS,
Yes.
IAS officer also. Thank you. Now, your turn, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
So again, did you prepare a topic well?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Yes. Present.
Sir, today, Matt, I am going to speak on the topic Cricket World Cup 2015.
Cricket World Cup 2015. Yes, proceed.
Yes, sir. Today, as we all know, that the craze of World Cup is going on all around. There is the World Cup fever in all the countries. So, the 2015 Cricket World Cup is the 11th edition of this program of ICC. The first Cricket World Cup was held in 1971 in England, and this World Cup was won by the West Indian cricket team. Then the next year also it was won by West Indies. Then in 1983, India was privileged to get its first World Cup. After India, it came Australia's turn. In 1992, Pakistan won the title, and in 1996, Sri Lanka beat the former champions Australia to gain their first title ever. And in 1999, again Australia took over their title, and 2003 and 2007 also. Australia consecutively won their titles. In 2011, after 28 long years, India again got its chance to win the world title, and now this is the 2015. So everyone is waiting for the champion, as now the knockout stages of the World Cup is going on. So everyone is just fingers crossed so that India can win, and every Indian is thinking that India should retain its title. So I would also like to wish India best of luck so that they can win their title.
Very nice. Really, your topic is very interesting. Nikhil, did you listen to him?
Yes.
So can you ask one question?
Yes. Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli.
Why?
The main reason for his being my best player is his technique and consecutively making runs. We can call him a perfect player because there is very less weakness in his cricket.
Do you know that Virat Kohli belongs to which city?
So he is from Delhi.
He is from Delhi. Okay. Any more question would you like to ask?
No, sir.
So successfully you have completed second part of the test.
Yes.
Now shall we move on third part?
Yes, sir.
In third part you have problem solution. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So I gave you one problem
Yes,
card.
sir.
What
Yes,
is the number of your card?
Sir, 5.
Number 5. Now you listen. This is your problem. Your friend is very good at cricket. He has played at district and state level from his school. Now he wants to join a professional club. His parents are reluctant to grant him permission. Did you listen the problem?
Yes, sir.
Did you get clearly?
Yes, sir.
So this is the problem before you. Now you suggest solution.
Sir, as we all are looking nowadays, cricket is getting more and more famous, and all the youths are getting attracted to this game. So my friend is also attracted to this game, and we should understand his feelings and his dedication towards cricket, and we should know that if he is interested, then we should give him a chance and let him check that whether he can perform well or not, and tell him his parents about his talent, and tell them to please give him chance.
Sagan, what you would like to say?
Sir, I partially agree with him. As far as there is the matter of convincing his parents, it would be not very easy task, because today, as we know our society, they have a mindset that in the sports field there is not a very good opportunity for career. People often think that studies is the only field where their children can build a good career. So it would be a very messy and difficult task to convince their parents.
Then what may be the easy task according to you?
So easy task, first of all we should understand his parents' mindset, that what are the main problems in their mind that they are not allowing him
Good
to go
point.
there.
Yes. Then
Then if we get the problem of economy, then we can help him by collection of money around from the school. Also we can ask the teachers to provide him scholarship, so that he can.
You mean to say, suppose because of any economic problem,
Yes, sir.
they are not ready to send.
Yes, sir.
So you would try to solve this problem.
Yes, sir.
So, and one more thing you told that what they are really thinking about their son.
Yes, sir.
So you will try to know.
Yes, sir.
Then you will convince them that your son is better
Better
than
in
another field.
sports. Yes,
So in this way you will try to convince.
Yes, definitely.
What you would like to say?
Sir, after listening to Agan, I want to say some main points.
Yeah.
Above all these points, I want to say I have watched one movie named Three Idiots.
Yes,
It
yes.
has showed that whichever field you are interested, you should give your best in that field. In that field only you can perform your best and give your best. So I think if he is interested and if he wanted to do it badly, then no one should stop him.
So you mean to say if your friend is very determined
Yes, sir. Yes,
for a sport,
yes, sir.
so anybody or anyway he will do it,
Yes, sir. He should.
as well as the solution what you and you suggested now. So it will also work out.
Yes, yes.
So thank you, Nikhil and Agan.
Thank you,
Nicely you have completed this session.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.